Hey everyone, get ready, because the next life-changing opportunity has just officially opened its gates. While the entire market is in chaos and whales are silently accumulating, suddenly, a massive legit airdrop bomb has exploded. DragonSwap has teamed up with ORBS Network to launch the xDRG campaign, featuring insanely attractive rewards. $500 worth of ORBS tokens for 20 lucky winners. This isn't just some random project or the usual scam. DragonSwap is one of the top DEX on the SEI ecosystem, powered by cutting-edge automated trading technology from ORBS, a thoroughly audited project with a massive community and presence across major blockchain ecosystems. But this time, they're not just trying to build hype. They're looking for real users, those who are ready to explore the ecosystem. And in return, you get a shot at completely free airdrops by simply connecting your wallet, completing Twitter tasks, entering a referral code, and a few more super easy steps I'll walk you through in a moment. But remember, in the world of airdrops, the fastest hands win and the slow ones, well, they'll be left wishing they moved sooner. So if you're trying to ride the trend, stack up some extra orbs in your wallet, or just want to explore a high-potential new DeFi platform, this video is made for you. All right, no more delays. Let me guide you step by step through the xDRG campaign from A to Z, so you don't miss out on a single opportunity. Let's go. Blast off. First and foremost, we need to connect your wallet. This is the gateway that unlocks the entire airdrop campaign. It's the very first step that lets you enter the world of xDRG and ORBS, because without a wallet, everything else is meaningless. You can use the OKX Web3 wallet, a popular choice thanks to its lightning-fast speed, user-friendly interface, high security, and seamless integration with the familiar OKX app that many traders already use. Just a few taps, and you're connected to the event page. Or, if you prefer flexibility and usually work from your browser, then MetaMask is an excellent alternative. MetaMask supports hundreds of blockchain networks, including SEI, the home of DragonSwap. Just make sure you've installed the MetaMask extension on Chrome or Brave, select the correct network, and hit Connect. Note: no matter which wallet you choose, make sure to use a secondary wallet, a clean one without large amounts of assets. This is the best way to stay safe when interacting with new platforms. No one wants to risk their entire token stash for a few simple steps, right? Once your wallet is connected, we'll move on to verifying and setting up your airdrop account details. Take it slow. I'll walk you through each step. Let's go. Blast off. After connecting your wallet, it's time for a crucial step: entering the referral code. In the referral code section, make sure to enter the correct code, NUSD0E. This code helps the system recognize you, increases your chances of receiving the airdrop, and may even earn you some bonus points. Double check it. Uppercase or lowercase both work, and hit confirm right after. It's a small step, but it could bring you one step closer to those exciting rewards. Now it's time for the social tasks, where you really start earning points. After connecting your wallet and logging in, you'll see the task list interface appear like this. Drop your EVM address. Paste your Ethereum wallet address here. This is the wallet that will receive your rewards, so make sure it's a valid EVM address, like one from MetaMask. Follow at DragonSwap DEX on Twitter X. Just click the button, and you'll be taken straight to their official page. Hit that follow button, then return to the campaign page. Gleam will automatically verify your action. Follow DragonSwap on Medium to stay updated with the latest news and announcements from the project. Once you complete these 3 tasks, you'll unlock 2 more bonus missions, giving you even more chances to earn points and climb the leaderboard. Make sure you're using the same social media accounts that you're logged into on your browser, so Gleam can verify your actions smoothly and without errors. The more tasks you complete, the better your chances of scoring that airdrop. And here comes the next task, posting a tweet with a campaign hashtag. All you need to do is open Twitter and create a simple tweet with the following content: $DRG DragonSwap Global. This helps spread the word about the campaign to the wider community. The clearer your tweet and the more accurate your hashtags, the faster the system will recognize your effort. Once your tweet is live, don't forget to copy the tweet link and paste it into the form if the system asks for verification. This acts as proof that you've completed the task properly. Important: make sure your Twitter account is public and not restricted. If your tweets can't be viewed by others, Gleam won't be able to verify your task. Just by tweeting, you're already one step closer to that awesome reward. Let's keep going. Blast off. And that's a wrap. Your complete guide to hunting the xDRG plus $ORBS Airdrop. Don't forget to complete all tasks as soon as possible before the deadline hits. And who knows, the rewards might just have your name on them. Good luck, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Blast off.